Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about 3 stocks that have massive short squeeze potential. Now, as you might have seen in the past couple of weeks, we've seen a lot of meme stocks and Wall Street bet stocks move rapidly. Now this is because they have a very high short interest, so they're shorted heavily by hedge funds, and the retail investors want to buy the stock in anticipation of these shorts eventually having to cover and then buying back more shares, leading to rapid stock price increases. So these 3 stocks that have massive short interest and also are in good levels technically. So first stock is ticker symbol RMED. Now this is a micro cap stock. It only has a $22 million market cap, so it's the smallest market cap of all the heavily shorted stocks. It also has a 2.5 million share float. So for those of you who don't know, float is basically the amount of shares that are publicly available to trade. So usually the lower the float, the more vulnerable the stock price is to any volume. So if you have high buying volume on a low float stock, it leads to parabolic increases in the stock price. So this company has a 2.5 million share float, of which 40% is short. So as we all know, if there's a lot of buying, then it would lead to increase in stock price, and this shorts will become more scared and it would lead them to covering their positions and buying back more shares. Now if we see a short squeeze in this stock, I expect a parabolic, the potential for a parabolic increase like we saw in January with ticker symbol KOSS. That moved from $2 to $100, and it had a similar float and similar market cap to this. The risks with this are that they did file an S3 and are short on cash, so there is the risk of an offering in any case. However, if we do get hype and if it does move very rapidly, this hype could override any risk of an offering. Next stock is Workhorse, ticker symbol WKHS. Now this stock is 40% shorted and also had a little run up last week. It went to a highs of around $18, but then had a pullback on lower volume to around $13 on Friday, and that it's sitting at support right now at $13. It does have a gap to fill in the 28 region, and if it does get volume and the shorts do get squeezed, I expect that gap to be filled. Next stock is ticker symbol HUYA. Now this stock is very beaten down. It went from highs of around $50 to now $14. So more than 50% decrease in price. And it also has very solid fundamentals. So they have the year-over-year revenues are growing very rapidly. They have almost half of the market cap in cash. So that's very strong, no risk of an offering there. And like I said, very beaten down. We're sitting at support right now at around $14. These are all-time lows, so I expect a strong reversal from here. And it's also 31% short, so a reversal and a short squeeze could be on the cards for $20 plus. Thank you for watching. I hope you gained value from this video, and please like, subscribe. I'll see you next time.